Good morning. Today is April 1st, 2020, and this is your morning message for today. And luckily, your day is going to be super easy because you have nothing to do today. You can just sit at home and relax. Just kidding. April Fools. Ha. Um, no, we're actually, like I had said at the beginning of the week, we're going to continue to add to our agenda. So our daily planner is going to look just a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to take you through the daily planner for today, and I will see you again this afternoon for questions at 1 o'clock. So I want to get you guys used to going to the homeroom course in Schoology instead of me sending out emails and Schoology messages because it's getting to be a lot. It's getting to be a lot for probably your parents, for you, and for me. So get used to every single day checking on what you need to do in your daily planner. So you're going to log into Schoology, go to your courses, click on homeroom. When you click on your homeroom course, you of course are going to go into this week, which is the week of March 30th to April 3rd. Click on today's date, Wednesday, April 1st, and your daily planner is posted in there. And soon this video will be posted in there as well. When you click on that, you will pull up your Team 5 daily 5B daily planner. And here's what we got on the agenda today. For math, you will go to your math course, Extended Flexible Learning, April 1, and you'll see the directions. You are going to actually get to choose, I emphasize choose, from pages 145, 146, or 147 in your Bridges student math book. You can use whatever algorithm you want to solve that problem. If you choose to do a different algorithm, just do it on a separate piece of paper, and you're going to just upload a screenshot of what your work was. Just all I ask is that you do the actual multiplication problems that are presented to you on those pages. Okay, now if for some reason you're feeling like you're getting multiplication pretty well, or you want some more practice, great, then do another page, maybe do 2 more pages. So that's why, again, like I said, those are there, those are choices. Now you're going to move down. Let's look at reading core. Today something new is added in reading core and writing. 2 new items are being added. One is a wonder bubble. There are directions to your wonder bubble in Schoology. So you're going to go to your reading course, go to the wonder bubble folder, week 1, who is Sam Adams. So you're going to click on that. And I'm telling you, all of the directions are in there. So I also want you to get used to not just relying on me to explain everything for you, but to look through the directions that are very clear in the Wonder Bubble. Now you're going to notice that you have, this isn't due until Friday. So you're going to have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to work on this. And you're also going to notice in the direction that your Wonder Bubble is going to be presented in our team meeting on Friday. So you're going to bring your Wonder Bubble to that team meeting on Friday. And there are, in the resources folder for that Wonder Bubble, there are pictures already, examples of what a Wonder Bubble looks like. So please, like I said, go through and look at everything that is in that folder. Next, there is a real-time journal that we are going to get started with. I'm super excited about this. And again, everything that you need for this real-time journal, all of the directions are posted for you in that real-time journal folder. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the journal directions, and when you click on the directions, the video shows up and the directions show up. So I want you to watch that video. That's a video of me explaining the directions to the real-time journal. And then when you're done watching my video, please go back and actually read the directions so that you have kind of double gone through everything. And then lastly, I want you to go through and find your name in the journal thread. You're going to see what I mean when you actually watch my video. Then I want you to read through that real-time journal PDF because those are going to give you some ideas to get you started with this real-time journal. There's also a brain pop, a link in Schoology that talks about the coronavirus, and I thought it was pretty interesting and clear cut and made very well for kids. I thought it would be a good start to your real-time journal just to get your brain thinking about different things you might want to write about. And then you're going to, for just for today, there is a discussion thread that has a reading that's attached to it. So you're going to read that. And again, that reading is just building up your background knowledge so that you're able to write a solid journal entry. But remember that this real-time journal is meant for you. So these are just, I'm just giving you ideas. However, you can write about whatever you would like to write about. This is a journal about you. So there's that. And then don't forget your check-in time is at 8:30 a.m. You have a new Flipgrid link, so go ahead and click on that. That'll bring you to today's Flipgrid. Enter that password. Don't forget that hashtag and that it's that capital O. You have to put the password in order to get to that link. And I changed something. So I actually changed so that the meeting code is always going to remain the same. So what you're going to do is at 1 o'clock or 10 minutes to 1 o'clock, remember that 12:50 to 1 o'clock is kind of when it's your time to join that meeting so that you're not late for the meeting. But the meeting code from here on out is just going to be 808-140-271. Another thing I want you to just remind you, I've been telling you this every day, but I haven't had anybody sign up at all for a one-on-one with me. So again, if you're feeling like you have some questions or you want some just one-on-one time with Mrs. Olson to go through something, you're going to click on this 5B office hour sign up. You're going to sign up under the 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock time. I will then message you in Schoology with a time between 10 and 11 o'clock that I will be available. You're also going to use this exact same meeting code 808-140-271 at that time, and you can log in and I will be available to meet with you. I will not be there if you do not receive a Schoology message from me. Again, like we had talked about in the directions, make sure that if you're going to meet with me that you sign up in the 5B office hours before 9 o'clock. So that gives Mrs. Olson a good hour to get prepared, especially as we continue to move through this. I want to make sure if there's a lot of people signed up that I am getting to everybody. So please, if you're going to sign up with me, make sure you sign up before 9 o'clock in the morning. That should, I guess that should do it. Again, you're having this is a lot of responsibility, and there are still more things that I have not added that will be added next week. So again, relax, take your time, ease into this, because I know that once we get rolling with this next week, it's going to be a lot of work. Be brave to make mistakes. Like I said yesterday, we are not perfect. I am learning just like you are. So we are in this together, you guys, and I'm here to support you. So with that, I will see you at 1 o'clock.